I'm joined by Coach Donald of Ekasi Football Academy, academy which hails here from Matafeni. You know, Matafeni is very own. He's here to give me a reflection of how the experience has been in the today's tournament, in the junior championships under 14s. Coach, ngiyakubingelela coach. Ke tournament yanamuhla lebeyikathi lana ehalls uyibona njani coach?
I-tournament ihambe kahle kakhulu nje ngichaza nje ngoba sikhulisa abafana nje yenza kakhulu ubungani nje iyasi-unite nje siyahlangana nje into engichazayo nje ngale tournament nje ngibona ukuthi vele kumele siqhubeke nje ngayo siye phambili abafana nje ukukhulisa italente labafana baye phambili nje abafana.
Coach Donald, kuyi-tournament lengahle lomunye ayibuke i-junior championship, kuyi-tournament lengahle lomunye ayibuke njenge-tournament engayo lesikhulu lesinayo to development la eMpumalanga mphathi uma bengakubuta how much of an experience and how much of a joyful or monumental day was it for you njenge-coach we-Ekasi Football Academy yakhona khona eMathafeni? Was it a big deal for you to be part of today's tournament and your experience?
Yeah, it was a big deal. Ngichaze kakhulu nje vele ngoba ukuzithola nje sema-tournamentini nje amakhulu kanje kusho okukhulu nje kithi nje abafana kukhulisa abafana nje nabafana nje kudonsa abafana nje abafana otholakala sebatholakala base ma-drugs nje abuse ama-drugs nje bakhula ebholeni italent ekhanda italent nami nje kungichaza kakhulu nje mangitholakala nje ukuthi part nje yale tournament nje ngizwa nje ngijabulile nje ngithokoze kakhulu.
Coach Donald, qhubekela phambili, what can we say yini lenifunzile njenge-Ekasi Football Academy tukwe tournament yanamuhla noma bangasho ukuthi niphume kuma group stages coach yini leningasho ukuthi sifunzile we going to apply it going on forward?
Into sifundile nje la sifunde nje ukuthi next time vele ama mistake nje swayenzile sokhona nje kube futhi senzeni swalungise kuningi nje sokufundile nje and kuningi sibonile nje nento ezenzaka kwanye ama team nje ukuthi okay laba ba manager kanje team yabo nathi zokhona ukuthi okay siyithathe senze njani si apply kakhulu ku respect nje bangichaza kakhulu ama team amaningi nje hayi kube nokuhloniphana nje into nje engifunde kakhulu le into nje engifunde kakhulu.
Coach Donald, sesizoyigoqoda le namuhla Coach Donald. Tukwe bahlali bakhona la eMathafeni njenge-Ekasi Football Academy. Ma-fanatics nawo khona la eMathafeni coach njengoba nililona iqembu lakhona khona lana coach. Ngiphi message longabanayo tukwe balandzeli or batali nabadlali badlali labayisupportako i-Ekasi Football Academy coach?
Hawu mina nje into engayisho nje ukuthi aqina nje bakhuthaza abafana siye phambili nje kulunga next time. Akuphuma igame vele kunjalo vele ngomdlalo nje umdlalo wonke kuzoba nomuntu owinayo kuzoba nodliwayo ngeke uhlezi uwina nje njalo into efunekayo nje uqina siye nomfutho next time mase kuyumdlalo.
Coach Donald, thank you very much for your time. Sibonga kakhulu coach.
Okay, siyabonga.